Good evening, everybody. Hope everyone's doing well. It's been a while, Canada, and I'm really glad to be back. Hope you're having a great week. I just want to recap on a few things. First of all, it's the last day to enter into our giveaway contest. There you go. That's a signed copy of the champ, Doug Gilmore. And you can see right here, you get your own book. So don't miss out, everybody. I'll even model the hat for you. It's pretty cool, I think. So last day, everybody, if you want to get your hands on the hats and the Doug Gilmore book, make sure you enter the contest. Today's the last day. It's super easy to do. You have to just invite some more friends over to this amazing cause of Support Local Canada. Help us grow it. So you either go to our Facebook and invite 3 of your friends, or you can go to our Instagram on POP TikR and invite 3 of your friends. I'm just gonna fix my hair so that we're ready to go for our next guest. But that's it. So I hope you guys participate. And we have a very awesome guest. It's a surprise guest, and we didn't give you much lead time in terms of who our guest is tonight on POP TV. But I can tell you, Canada, we are going to, well, I'm going to try to get a secret mango shake recipe from one of the finest Indian cuisine restaurants in Ottawa. So with further ado, let's see if we can pull up Nippy from Ottawa, Ishina Indian Cuisine. Bang, there you
Hey,
go. How are you?
very fine. Thank you. How are you doing yourself today?
Good, good. So you're
Thank you
on
so much
site.
for thank you for inviting me today.
Yeah, no, it's our pleasure. I mean, here at Support Local Canada, we're trying to bring and spotlight all the amazing businesses. So it's a pleasure.
Thank you so much again. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
This
so
is
how's it going? I mean, I know, well, first of all, let's tell everybody about your restaurant. So you
okay.
have an
I have a
amazing,
I have a sorry to interrupt.
no,
Sorry.
no,
Uh,
please.
we have a restaurant here in Bell's Corners in Ottawa, and restaurant is about 20 years old in business, and we have more into packaged food business, and we do a lot of caterings and events. And these days, looking into the circumstances, we have a restaurant, but now we can't operate that, so we have got a very nice patio now, so which can seat about 12 to 14 people, distantly seating family wise, and you can come and definitely enjoy the Indian cuisine over here. And also we do offer you very authentic in the menu over here when you come and for the lunch or dinner.
So let's talk about the menu. I'm gonna show a picture on the screen. Actually, you have a lot of things going on. So look at this. So this is,
Yes.
yes, one of the menu items you have.
So
Now
this
you
is
have, yeah, you
yeah,
have a
yeah.
new menu, right? You have a $10 special. So let's talk about
Yes.
that. Yeah.
Okay, so every Wednesday, what we are doing is we are doing special menus, which are $10 menus. Here, for example, what we are doing in these are like chicken biryani balls. We are doing kati rolls. We are doing Indian burgers. We are doing aloo tikki chaats. So different types of menus with different type of appetizing items, which all come complemented with our special Ishina chips, which
Oh,
is a very specialty chips which we have recently introduced in these specialty menus. Apart from these, like on every Saturday, we come out with a cuisine from different parts of the country. Like this week, we had a paranthe ki gali. We had different styles of paranthas which we had introduced. They had come with the condiments, with raita, with pickle, with freshly made homemade white butter.
ooh,
So, which
sounds
is a
good.
little unique that goes on the parantha.
So
And
let's talk about what paronta is. Some of our audience might not know what a paronta is. It is a
it's a
very
stuffed
amazing
bread.
comfort food, right? It's
Yeah,
so good.
it is a whole wheat bread which is stuffed with either potatoes, or you can have the chickpeas, you can have mutton, you can have cauliflower, you can have any kind of a vegetable product for the vegetarians. Nicely stuffed out, very lightly deep fried, not deep fried, sorry, lightly fried on the hot plate just to give it. And we throw a very nice chunk of white butter on it, and you
Yes.
can enjoy that.
No, that sounds really good. I mean, I grew up, because my roots are also, Punjab Indian, and so mummy,
Yes.
would make paronte every Sunday. So if you haven't tried it, you got to get out to Ashina. So you got two really cool things. So I love the Wednesday lunch for $10. I mean,
Yeah,
how convenient is that? And then you have the Saturday
special.
exploratory cuisine. Yeah. So
Yeah.
every week you have from a different region of India a unique food, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
That's what we do. And also, like just for our viewers to know that Chana bhutura is one of the products which we have all the time available to any of the spectators or anybody who's listening now would like to enjoy them. They can just call us a couple of hours ahead of time and we can make it ready for them.
Actually, let's talk about that. So, obviously with COVID-19, the restaurants had to adjust. So you do have an operating patio so people can
Yeah.
come in and eat, right? So where are
Yes.
you located exactly? What's the address in Ottawa?
Sorry, which is
What's the address in Ottawa? How can people find you if they
the
want to come?
address is unit is 100 and it is 14 Bexley Place in Bell's Corners.
So that's 14 Bexley
Yeah, Bexley
in Bell's
Place,
Corner.
Bell's
Okay.
Corners. Yeah.
Awesome. And
We
then
are
you
right
do,
behind the metros in the city here.
okay. And
Yeah,
so people can do curbside pickup. They can come
absolutely.
enjoy at the patio. That's
Yeah,
amazing.
we have our servers who are properly masked. They wear gloves. They will be serving you the food fully equipped, before you come into the patio. Or if you come for a takeout, they will make sure they can put the food into your car or into the
Yeah.
van wherever it is required.
And I'm just looking at this beautifully, appetizer here. What's in here? I just saw this picture. Can you
Yeah.
see it?
So yeah, I can see it, but this is a martini chicken here. Like it is
Okay.
done in a martini glass. Like when we say martini, is not something which is done with martini, but
Yeah.
there are certain products which we make and we present it like that.
All right. It's beautiful.
Yeah,
It's really nice.
yeah, it looks
And
very different. Yes,
it does. And it looks really, really appetizing. And I mean, here's a picture of, when you had your buffet set up. I mean,
yes,
unfortunately, we can't do that right
absolutely,
now. Yeah.
absolutely. This is not going to be there anymore now.
No, but you know what? It's that's it. We have to adjust. And if I'm looking here, we can see, some of our favorites. We got butter chicken. You have,
Yeah,
lamb curry, I think, in here.
yeah.
Naan.
Chicken curry, tikka masala, butter chicken, makhni paneer. You can have
Yeah.
gobi aloo, fresh bangan bharta. So products are there is a wide range of products we can offer you. Like for especially for the Indian cuisine. Well, lots of varieties for the vegetarians as well as for the non-vegetarian people.
Yeah, and that's what I love about Indian cuisine. Whether your friends are vegetarian or non-veg, you can all have a great meal.
Absolutely, and we
Indian
have
food is so
barbecue
good for
also. By
that.
the way, we have fresh tandoors, and the
Oh,
tandoors are
nice.
charcoal tandoors. They are not the gas tandoors.
Oh,
So it is
wow.
what you get is a fresh naans and the fresh tikkas or kebabs. They get it from the charcoal tandoors. So
So,
this makes a little difference to the product.
yeah, and there's a huge difference. So India, Indians, we don't mess with our tandoor. It's like
It has to be
it's
right. It
it
has to
has
be
to be
right.
right. And I'm telling you, you can taste the difference. It is so good. It is so unique to the Indian cuisine. You must try it if you haven't. It is so good. It is such a treat.
Yeah, absolutely.
And so
So
lastly, I
yeah,
wanted to for all, I mean this is great. We do have a lot of local following here on Support Local Canada. So, they'll
yeah,
be very happy to check out your restaurant.
yeah,
But for all the Canadians, because we do have a community across coast to coast to coast, I wanted to uncover, and I asked Nippy if he can do the honor to share a really good recipe for a mango shake. It's so
yeah.
hot, and I'd love to get an idea of how you do that.
Absolutely. So what we are doing is that we are taking the fresh mangoes and we are trying to take the mangoes which are coming from India, because the flavors are very different, especially Alfonso mango. So we peel them, take the pulp out of that. We put them in a blender along with some milk and some little bit of cream and sugar. And then we just blend it. And once we put it in the glass, throw cubes of ice, garnish it with some mint, and we can garnish it with fresh cream on that too.
Nice. We're so excited. I can't wait. It's been so hot and it's such a refreshing treat. I myself have been getting cases of mango lately, so it's been on my mind.
Something you should try definitely,
Yeah, for sure.
and come
Now,
and try it here. In fact, I would love you to come and try here.
oh, absolutely. I mean, I would love to. I mean, alongside with, the $10 special is really, really good too for Wednesdays. I mean, that sounds great.
Yeah,
Just a
thank you.
question about the mangoes, because I have seen there's a lot of different varieties. So, which is the Indian mango that you
We
use for
get
the recipe?
we get the ones which come in boxes from India. The Alfonso is the one which we are mostly
Alfonso.
using. Yeah,
Okay, so it does make a difference
yeah,
to
it makes
you
a
can
difference
use,
to the flavor. The
yeah.
texture and the flavor is very different.
Okay. Well, that's good to know because I did see that there's a variety of mangoes, but I didn't know like how it impacts the cooking. So that's
Yeah,
good to know.
no, it makes a difference. Definitely the mangoes make a ton of a difference. Here the mangoes
Okay.
that come are Altaf mangoes, which are not really very sweet. They're a little bit on the savory side, so they don't give you that flavor what you're looking at. Alfonso
Yeah.
will give you that flavor.
Yeah, no, that's good to know. And for everyone, they know, Indian folks especially, we love our
Oh yeah,
mango. We use
definitely.
mango in our shakes. We also pickle mango as well for chutneys and stuff.
Absolutely. So that's a different thing altogether. But we
Yeah.
like to bring the best of the best possible.
Yeah. No, I mean, 20 years. I mean, that's a long time, and we really appreciate everything that you do for a city. This is what, the hard work that we get to enjoy.
And also to let you know, Kamal, that we are at present we are doing a lot of charity work for the hospitals and for the frontline workers. We have been
Oh,
supplying
wonderful.
food to the ICUs and to the hospitals, to the Breer Institute, to the hospice, to ICUs, to the paramedics. This is something which we are doing very regularly and very religiously, as we understand the need of the front workers is very important, and we appreciate the community gives you so much. I think it is a good time to share with the community at this time, and we try to put in our part of it as best as we can.
That is amazing. That's so kind. And that's what I was sharing too, is that it's so thank you to the small business like yourself that really pump and, some support directly in the community. So that's great.
Absolutely, one
Yeah,
should
it's really
definitely do the
important.
best. One should do the best.
Yeah. No, it's true. I mean, like I said, it's no matter where you are in Canada, it's so important to help one another out. It's tough, it's tough
Absolutely,
times. Yeah.
absolutely. And we,
Yeah.
we once again would like to say to anybody whosoever is looking into something like they need us to support any particular old age home or any place like that, we are all there for you.
Amazing. That's very kind of you. So everybody, would you, I guess, like to say a last few, where could they find you? I mean, I have the website up at ashina.ca. You can call, place your order, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You can call ahead of
Okay.
time. We have got the numbers. It's my number 613-291-4866. Or my daughter, she is my chef also. And
Oh,
she is at
nice.
613-884-4954.
Oh, that's
So
amazing. So your daughter's picking up those cooking skills?
she's the boss. You know,
Love it.
you know how daughters are.
Oh, you know what? It's good. Like I said, I love to support the next generation of our youth,
Absolutely.
especially females, like the young girls out there. We need to give them leadership opportunities. So
Absolutely. Woman
amazing.
power. Come on, woman power. There you are.
We're all in it together, right?
We
So
are
we
all
got to
in this
help one
together.
another out.
I
Absolutely.
have three women in my house. I have my two daughters and my wife. So I have an extreme woman power in my house. So
Yes, that's great. That's awesome. We love it.
yeah,
That's amazing.
thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Nippy. It was such a pleasure to get to know you. I mean, this is the first time we've met, so that was
Yeah,
nice. And
and
to
we
get to know Ashina.
look forward to seeing you sometime very soon again. And once
Absolutely.
again, to all the viewers here, I thank you very much for your support and for your consideration. And we look forward to seeing whosoever would love to come to our patio, come and enjoy the cuisine here and our
And the
chef
mango
as
shake.
well.
All right, there you go. Well, thank you so much,
Thank you
Nippy
so
from
much, Kamal.
Ishina Cuisine. And in closing, everybody, so check them out. If you are in Ottawa, you got to stop by Ishina Indian Cuisine, get your mango shake or make it at home, or better yet, hit up the tandoor oven. It's only available at the restaurant, folks. So go ahead and do that. Lastly, before we head out, just a reminder, if you haven't done so, today is the last day to win this autographed book by hockey champion Doug Gilmore from the Toronto Maple Leafs. So make sure to do that. Get your friends on our Facebook group and our Instagram at POP TikR. Support local Canada. Let's keep it growing. Thank you and have a good night, everyone. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you very much, Kamal. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.